Hey guys, it's Wolfman49 with another video here, okay? Let me just check something. Okay, just making sure. Today, as you can see in the title, we're making Glossy Slime. And, these are the ingredients that you need to make Glossy Slime. The ingredients I'm using is, using Elmo glue. Using, it has to be PVA. And, I'm using body lotion and stuff. It's shower gel like that. And then also this is soap. You need soap like for your hair and stuff. And I'm using this one because it smells good. And you could use any one. And then the hand soap I'm using is soft soap. You can use any kind of hand soap you want. And I'm having lotion. I'm just using. You can use any kind of one, but I can't find other lotions, so this is the only one I have. So yeah, and I got my borax. Okay. And then you need this, a stirring tool. But if you guys see my Jiggly Slime video, you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it under the table so it'll be easier so you can see, guys. So please go check out my Jiggly Slime video. I put it. I show you guys how to make this thing. How to make the Jiggly Slime. So I'm gonna put it right here to make sure. But no, move. It's gonna be like. Okay, it's good. No, move. Let's go. Yeah. And else you want is a what's it called? Yeah. Also you want is food coloring, if you want to use food coloring. So I'll come right here. Well, I'm gonna add my glue right now. Get closer. Oh, what the heck? Somebody move it. And let me put it in a good spot. Good spot? Yeah. Okay, put it right now. Yeah, you can add how much you want. I'm just adding a little bit.
Let's see it.
Okay?
Let's see it.
I know. And then next thing you want to add is, oh my gosh, I forgot. So you want to add, okay. I'm going to add, what's it called? Your,
oh yeah.
Oh my god, I don't remember. So, I gotta go check in a bit. I can't really have my editor because I'm not using my mom's phone. So yeah. So I gotta add. Okay, let's see. Let me figure out. I'm gonna add my hand soap. Wanna add your hand soap? Yeah, add the hand soap. I think I messed up. I don't know. Add your hand soap. Add that. Next you want to add is your soap that you use for your hair. And then I'm going to add it right now. Yeah, it's not going. Okay, I got my green one. And then next you want to add is your lotion. I'm not going to use, what's it called? I'm not going to use food coloring because I don't need it in this one. So I'm going to stir it. And then I'm going to keep stirring it.
Ooh. A bit. Ooh. Ooh.
Stop, man. Okay, I'm going to keep stirring it.
Ooh.
Okay, let me focus at it.
Douche. Ooh.
Wait, let me focus it.
Douche. Ooh.
Okay, I'm gonna just keep stirring it. This is my recipe. I'm making it. I'm not doing it in order. So I'm gonna get the water, and then because it's probably like that. And then let me go get the water.
Okay.
Okay, guys, I got the water. So I'm going to add the water right now. So So, gotta add this. Oh, I add too much. Oh, messed up. So that's how much you want to add. It's not really showing good because I don't have the editor. You want to make it liquidy. Don't be afraid that it's going to be like liquidy. That's how it's supposed to be. And you want to keep stirring it. And then just keep stirring it. And I'm going to add my borax. I'm using my activated borax. You can use baking soda or contact solution. That's not using that. And I'm using borax. So let me get the borax. I'm going to add it in. Right here. Oh, it's missed. Okay, let me stir it. Okay, it's working. The slime I made that wrong. Okay, it's working. It's working. I might make a remake of this because it's not working. Because I don't have a good I want to make it better on my mom's phone. So I'm gonna keep stirring it. I'm gonna add more borax to it. And keep stirring it. It's like greenish, like that. Okay, let me add more borax. Okay, I'm gonna add it more. Oh my gosh, you keep seeing this. Okay, I'm gonna add it now. Add some right now. I'm gonna stir it. Okay. Keep stirring it. Oh, it's working. Doesn't want to work yet, but this is my own slime. But I'm gonna make a remake tomorrow. I can't use my mom's phone because she's using it for music. So yeah, keep adding more borax. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I just add too much. I don't know why, but I might keep stirring it. I think it's gonna work. I'm gonna add olive. Okay. Okay, let me do this. And guys, it's the end of the video. I'll show you guys if it's good. I'm gonna make a remake tomorrow, so part 1. This is part 1. I'm gonna make a part 2. So see you guys later and bye.